Righto guys, we've just been out on the tracks, currently got the tyres down at 25 psi, about to hit the highway and head home. So we're going to get these tyres back up to about 35 psi, it's what I like to run for the highway. Before we get it done, just hooking the positive terminal up first, make sure that they are on correctly. Positive first, then your negative. Give them a wiggle, make sure they're all good. Man, they do pull 45 amp hours of draw, so you want to make sure that they are on correctly. That's a fair chunk. I mean, this thing wants to get it done nice and quick for you. Righto, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to screw the stem here onto the tyre. Nice and easy too. Just screws on, tighten it up, and she's done. Righto, so once that's on, nice and tight. What we're going to do now is we're going to turn on the compressor. Pretty simple. So getting this thing up to the right tyre pressures. Look, these things are great. That automatic built-in thermal cutoff, that stops any damage when it does, or if it does overheat, causing any damage to the unit. Not only that, it's powered by a little Ripple 1/3 12-volt oilless direct drive motor. So this thing will just get the job done perfectly and continue to get the job done. It's a 45 amp hour inline fuse just on the side here. You've got the 5 metre long quick connection hose on this side here. And not only that, you've got your lagoon glass to tell you what count of PSI you're running at. So we'll just have a look now. Perfect guys, we're sitting at 35 PSI. Excellent. I'm going to pack this up and we're going to hit the highway. See you later guys.